Running is one of the most effective forms of exercise. It is a great way to get in shape, lose weight, and improve overall health. Even if you are just starting out, running for 30 minutes every day can have a significant impact on your body. In this video, we will discuss what happens to your body when you run 30 minutes every day. Sleep quality. Running can also improve the quality of your sleep. When you run, your body produces hormones that help to regulate your sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. In addition, running can also help to reduce stress and anxiety, which can contribute to better sleep. Research has shown that regular exercise, including running, can improve the quality of your sleep by reducing the amount of time it takes to fall asleep, increasing the amount of deep sleep you get, and reducing the number of times you wake up during the night. However, it's important to note that running too close to bedtime can have the opposite effect on your sleep. Exercise can increase your heart rate and body temperature, making it more difficult to fall asleep. To avoid this, it's best to finish your run at least a few hours before bedtime. Weight loss. Running is a great way to burn calories and lose weight. When you run, you burn more calories than you do when you engage in other forms of exercise, such as walking or cycling. Running also helps to increase your metabolism, which means that your body continues to burn calories even after you have finished your run. To illustrate this point, let's look at an example. A person who weighs 150 pounds can burn approximately 300 calories by running for 30 minutes at a moderate pace, about 5 miles per hour. If this person runs every day for a year, they could potentially lose over 10 pounds just from running alone. In addition, running can help to reduce your appetite and cravings. When you exercise, your body produces hormones that help to suppress your appetite, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Bone health. Running is a weight-bearing exercise, which means that it puts stress on your bones. This stress helps to increase bone density, which can reduce the risk of osteoporosis and other bone-related conditions. Running can also help to improve your balance and coordination, which can reduce your risk of falls and other injuries. When you run, the bones in your legs, hips, and spine are subjected to a repeated impact. This impact stimulates the cells in your bones to produce more bone tissue, which helps to increase bone density. Over time, this can help to reduce your risk of fractures and other bone-related injuries. Running can also help to improve your balance and coordination. When you run, you are constantly shifting your weight from one foot to the other, which helps to improve your balance. In addition, running can help to strengthen the muscles that support your joints, which can reduce your risk of injury. Mental health. Running can have a significant impact on your mental health. When you run, your body produces endorphins, which are feel-good hormones that can help to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. In addition, running can also help to improve your self-esteem and confidence, which can have a positive impact on your overall mental health. Endorphins are chemicals that are produced by your body in response to exercise, excitement, or pain. They are known to produce a feeling of euphoria and can help to reduce stress and anxiety. Running can also help to improve your self-esteem and confidence, especially if you set and achieve running goals. In addition, running can be a form of meditation or mindfulness practice. When you run, you can focus on your breath, your body, and the environment around you, which can help to clear your mind and reduce stress. Immune system. Running can also have a positive impact on your immune system. When you run, your body produces more white blood cells, which help to fight off infection and disease. Running can also help to reduce inflammation in your body, which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. Research has shown that regular exercise, including running, can help to boost your immune system by increasing the circulation of immune cells throughout your body. In addition, exercise can also help to reduce inflammation, which can contribute to the development of chronic diseases. However, it's important to note that overtraining can have the opposite effect on your immune system. If you push your body too hard without allowing adequate rest and recovery, you may actually weaken your immune system and increase your risk of illness. Thank you for watching this video on what happens to your body when you run for 30 minutes every day. As we've discussed, running can have numerous benefits for your physical and mental health, from improving your cardiovascular health to boosting your immune system and even increasing your lifespan. So if you're looking to improve your health and well-being, consider adding a 30-minute run to your daily routine. Remember to start slowly and gradually increase your running time and intensity to avoid injury, and to incorporate a variety of exercises into your routine to work all parts of your body. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.